Hey guys, and welcome back to new on this channel. I'm Szabi from Code Revolution. So today I'm happy to bring you a new update for Aiomatic, and it is the function calling functionality. So you might be aware that OpenAI recently updated their models and they are able to call functions which are on your site. So this will bring you much larger possibilities and more opportunities to tap into fields which were not yet possible to be reached by the AI. So you can send emails using this new function directly from the chatbot. You can also access the internet and many more stuff. However, you will need to be aware of how this will be done, and you might also need to hire a developer, a freelancer, to do a custom code for you to add this functionality to Aiomatic to allow it to teach the AI to call your custom function. So for example, you can write a custom function which sends an email, and you can teach Aiomatic using this latest feature to call the function that you wrote, which will send an email, and the AI will use that function to send emails. And let me demonstrate this in this tutorial video. So this knowledge base article is linked in this video description. Go ahead and read it. Also, Aiomatic is linked there in the description. So there are some requirements for this. The latest version of GPT Turbo or the GPT-4 models, as the latest currently are the 0613 or higher models. And you must set up some code to your WordPress site. So you must first write your custom function and use some hooks which were recently added to Aiomatic in its latest update, and add some code to the functions.php file of your theme, and you like this you will be able to add code which will handle the function calling in the plugin. So for this you can copy this code example that I wrote and add it in your functions.php file. So let me explain what we have here. In this code we add a function. This is the default object which creates functions, so you must use this. This is the name of the function, so send email. This is the description, send an email to the administrator of this website, and these are the parameters of the send email function. So subject, message, the subject of the email, the message of the email, and this is the message after the function will be called with success, as the AI, when it calls functions, it is not responding with any text. Because of this, we need to set a default text for this to appear to users who manage to call functions. So this is the basic setup of functions, and now we can also write our custom function. So this is the template which will be needed to be sent to OpenAI to understand that we have a send email function available, and these are the parameters, and this is the description. Description is important as it teaches OpenAI about what is this function about. Okay, and now the second part which needs to be copied from here is the actual function, and this needs to be hooked into the Aiomatic AI reply raw hook filter, and this will be modifying and checking the raw replies from OpenAI. And if the function call is defined in the reply, we will decode the reply, and if the function name is send email as set here, so this will be needed to be the same if you want to. So here we write our custom function, and we get the arguments subject, we get our subject and message from the arguments, and we actually send a mail to adminyoursite.com with the subject and message. So here you can add your custom function call. I just added a example mail sending function. Okay, so this is how you can set up the AI to send an email. And now let's go, for example, in Aiomatic. And let me first remove this code from the function, and let me ask now the AI to send an email. Hello, send an email to this site's admin with a random subject and content. So in this case, I'm sorry, but I'm an AI language model and I'm enabled to send emails. But if we re-add this code that we removed for testing, this time let's say, hello, please send an email to this site's admin with a random subject and content. Sure, I just sent an email to admin, he will respond soon. So if you check, this is the message that we defined here in the functions message. So this is the success message that we defined here, and this will be sent to the users each time the AI manages to call the function. And now the AI actually used this function that we defined here to send an email to my email address. Okay, so this is how you will be able to use the functions calling of Aiomatic and of OpenAI's functionality, and this is also a screenshot of this. And yeah, go ahead guys and give this functionality a try. It will be able to extend the chatbot and the AI writer also with huge features. Your imagination is the limit on this, so give it a try. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Until next time, like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.